All right, let's try balancing this one. So when aluminum metal reacts with air, it produces a white powdery compound called aluminum oxide. So whenever I say it reacts with air, it means it's reacting with oxygen. So we have aluminum reacts with air, meaning oxygen, and I'm creating aluminum oxide. So taking the words and writing it out kind of in our word structure of our equation. So then I have to say, okay, well, what's aluminum? Aluminum is Al. It's not one of the diatomics. It's just the element. Oxygen, and then I have to be able to write aluminum oxide. If you cannot take aluminum oxide and write it into a formula, you won't be able to do this. So now I have my equation written out with the formulas and the states, because it told me this was aluminum metal. Air is going to be a gas, and then it's going to create a powdery compound. So if it's a powder, it's a solid. But I'm not balanced. So now I need to balance this guy. So same things. What elements? Aluminum and oxygen on this side. Aluminum and oxygen on this side. How many aluminums on this side? 1. How many oxygens? 2. How many aluminums here? 2. How many oxygens? 3. All right, so let's balance everything but C, H, and O. So we can't do O, so we'll do Al. Okay? So I have 2 on this side, 1 on this side. So which side needs to go up? This side needs to go up, so I have to put some number here. So what number here is going to give me 2 aluminums? 2. And since that's just a single element, it doesn't change anything but its guy. All right, now I need to do oxygen. This is 2, this is 3, so what side needs to go up? This side needs to go up, and I need this side to be 3. So if I need it to be 3, what number am I going to put here? A fraction, right? Because if I do 1 times 2, that's just 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So I can't get 3 without using a fraction. So the number on top is whatever I need. I need 3. The number on bottom is whatever my multiplier would be, 3 halves. So 3 halves times 2 gives me 3. But I can't leave it as a fraction. So what I have to do is I need to get rid of the fraction. I'm going to multiply the whole thing by whatever the denominator is. So that's a 2. So 2 times the whole thing. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 halves is just 3. 2 times 1 is 2. And this is what people forget the most. They forget to multiply this by everything. For some reason, they might just do the reactants. They'll forget to do the products, or they do just the one thing that they were looking at. This 2 has to go to everything in the equation. This is why the check is helpful. Because say you accidentally forget to multiply by everything. If you do the check, you'll go, oh, wait, I forgot to multiply it by my product or whatever. So let's check. 4 ALs, 2 times 2, 4 ALs. 3 times 2 is 6 oxygens. 2 times 3, 6 oxygens. Okay? So we are done there for balancing our reaction. Now, that one was a little straightforward because they gave me the unbalanced reaction, and so I had to balance it, and that was it. But what if I actually have to write it out more based on the names? And I actually have to know what are the names, what was the formula based on that. So in the next problem, we're going to look at pretty much trying to write it from scratch without knowing what the formulas are.